you are wearing a very nice cloth.
Thank you.
I just want to find out, has it got any meanings? Do you have any reason for wearing this particular one?
Thank you very much. With the guidance of my traditional leaders, my parents, and the good people of Ashanti region, I chose this cloth because of the name and its cultural significance. The name of the cloth is Asante man, and if you see rightly embroidered in it is the porcupine. That is the symbol of Asante man. The porcupine serves as a very tactful animal that is always on the alert on self-defense and in promotion of well-coordinated strategies to survive every situation. It has quills, or the spines, and the spines, though seen individually at the back of the porcupine, they work in a very coordinated fashion to either in defense of the animal from predators or as and when they need to undertake a certain activity. So that is the porcupine in the cloth. Also is the spider web. The spider web in Ashanti tradition, we use kokuanansi for most of our folk tales. It signifies wisdom, interconnectivity, and oneness within the Ashanti kingdom. Also, I have the akufna and the gun symbol in the cloth. They also signifies royal authority and loyalty to the Asante man and the Republic of Ghana. The colors, as carefully chosen, is green, yellow, and black. The green represents the forest and the greenness of the Asante kingdom. The yellow represents the richness of the Ashanti kingdom. And the black signifies our race, and also the black stools that were brought together in order that the Asante man had the golden stool that the Otumfuo, His Royal Majesty, sits on during his sitting at either Akweside or Awukude. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
How many paramounces do we have in Ashanti? Paramounces and divisions. Since you are in a nice cloth from Ashanti, and you've spoken so well, how many paramounces do we have in the great kingdom under His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Saitutu II?
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. I would not know the numbers of head. I know of the Mampong Traditional Council of Finso, Kumewu.
If you don't know, you don't know. We we have about 66 and 12 divisions in Ashanti. Okay? You should know, because you'll be a frequent visitor at Menshia during a day. You should know where they sit and how to go about your duties. Secondly, I know
the whole occupant of the silver stool in Ashanti region here to support you, the Queen Mother. Give your word to the Queen Mother that when you are confirmed, you are going to do your utmost best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. The President indeed and the Minister of the previous administration indeed cut sword for the construction of the Swami interchange and the dualization of the adjoining routes, including the Swami to Tafo all the way to Mampong. Unfortunately, the timelines they gave elapsed because we were assured that the project will be done by the end of 2024. Unfortunately, after cutting the sword got lost, and we could not complete the project. Given that, Mr. Chairman, I want to assure the House that I'm going to find the sword, and I'm going to make sure that the project is well completed. And as my MP Riley said, I listen if not for anything for the good people of Mampong. Riley seated behind me is Nana Ajakoma Difie II, the Queen Mother for Mampong Traditional Council. At least that would be a good legacy to leave behind for the good people of Mampong and also for the traditional leaders of Mampong. I work hard and closely with the roads and the sector minister and also with central government in order that we can find funding for the project and complete it in the shortest possible time.
Thank you very much for assuring my very good friend that you do a project that they couldn't do.